Have you ever noticed how some car brands look amazing in ads, but once people buy them, the problems start rolling in? From endless recalls to sky-high repair costs, not all car brands are worth your hard-earned money. In 2025, Consumer Reports, J.D. Power, and countless owner reviews highlight the brands that give buyers more headaches than happiness. And trust me, some of these names will surprise you because they've been around for years, yet they keep falling short when it comes to reliability and long-term value. In this video, we're counting down the 11 worst car brands you'll regret buying in 2025. Stick with me until the end, because the brand at number 1 has been called one of the most unreliable automakers in the world, costing owners thousands in repairs before the car even hits 60,000 miles. Let's dive in. Number 11. Jeep. Jeep is famous for rugged SUVs and its iconic Wrangler. On the surface, Jeep feels like a dream brand for adventurers, but in reality, many models are plagued with issues. Owners frequently report poor reliability, electrical failures, and steering problems. The Wrangler, for example, is notorious for vague steering that feels unsafe on highways. Rust and engine noise are also big complaints. Jeep's fuel economy is among the worst in its class, averaging 17 to 19 miles per gallon. Add to that multiple recalls for airbag defects, fuel leaks, and even structural cracks, and you start to see why Consumer Reports ranks Jeep near the bottom for dependability. If you don't plan on heavy off-roading, daily driving a Jeep can quickly turn from exciting to exhausting. Number 10. Jaguar. Jaguar cars look sleek, powerful, and luxurious. But behind the glossy image lies one of the least reliable luxury car brands. Common problems include excessive oil consumption, failing fuel pumps, and constant electrical issues, especially in the infotainment system. Some owners describe their Jaguar experience as, "It drives like a dream," when it's not in the shop. In 2023, Jaguar ranked 29th out of 32 car manufacturers in What Car's Reliability Survey. That's worse than Audi, BMW, and even Porsche. Repair bills are sky high, and parts take longer to source. So while Jaguars may turn heads on the street, they'll also drain your wallet at the repair shop. Number 9. Chrysler. Chrysler's lineup has shrunk over the years, but the Chrysler Pacifica minivan is still popular among families. Unfortunately, it has been plagued with reliability issues, especially the hybrid version. Owners have reported frozen screens, charging problems, and engine stalling. Over 67,000 Pacifica hybrids from 2017 to 2023 were recalled for defects in the battery and wiring that could cause the vehicle to suddenly shut off. Chrysler also struggles with below-average dependability scores. Consumer Reports has consistently rated it near the bottom for brand reliability. While the cars may look family-friendly, the long-term headaches make Chrysler a risky investment. Number 8. Land Rover. Luxury, style, and off-road capability. That's what Land Rover promises. But owning one is a completely different story. The Range Rover Sport, for example, can cost over $100,000. Yet many owners face repeated engine, transmission, and electrical failures. Land Rover is infamous for high maintenance costs, with annual repair bills far higher than competitors. The brand's complex technology, from air suspension to infotainment, often breaks down, leading to frequent dealership visits. Owners love the design and prestige, but most admit the reliability is terrible. If you're buying for status, Land Rover delivers. But if you're buying for peace of mind, look elsewhere. Number 7. Mitsubishi. Mitsubishi once had a stronger presence in the US, but today its reputation has taken a hit, especially with the Mirage. The Mirage is one of the cheapest new cars you can buy, but it comes with weak engines, noisy cabins, and poor crash test scores. The 3-cylinder engine feels sluggish and vibrates badly, making highway driving a chore. Recalls have targeted airbag failures, screeching brakes, and transmission problems. To make things worse, Mitsubishi is discontinuing the Mirage in the US after 2025, which will make parts harder to find. Cheap up front doesn't mean cheap in the long run, and the Mirage proves it. Number 6. Buick. Buick markets itself as a comfort-focused brand, but it has struggled with reliability and innovation. The Buick Encore, for example, often feels underpowered, with its 1.4-liter turbo engine struggling during highway merges or uphill drives. Owners have also reported transmission problems, electrical failures, and weak air conditioning systems. Fuel efficiency is just average, and the interiors often feel outdated compared to rivals. Safety recalls have involved airbags and seatbelt issues, which are serious concerns. While Buick vehicles may seem affordable and practical, the repair bills and lack of modern features leave many owners disappointed. Number 5. GMC. GMC is known for its trucks and SUVs, but the brand is consistently criticized for poor reliability. The GMC Sierra 1500 in particular has a long history of problems. Models from 2014 to 2019 faced transmission failures, steering issues, and faulty electronics. Recalls included brake system failures and even fire risks from engine block heaters. Fuel economy is also weak, averaging 17 miles per gallon. The kicker? The Sierra is less reliable than its twin, the Chevy Silverado, despite costing more in some trims. High repair costs and insurance premiums make GMC a tough brand to recommend in 2025. Number 4. Dodge. Dodge has a loyal fan base thanks to its muscle cars and powerful SUVs, but the brand suffers when it comes to dependability. The Dodge Durango and Charger are frequently reported for engine failures, exhaust problems, and poor fuel economy. V8 engines may sound great, but they average just 15 miles per gallon, making them expensive to drive. Crash test scores for Dodge models are often below average, and the interiors feel cheap compared to rivals. Long-term ownership is also painful because of high maintenance costs and rapid depreciation. If performance is your only goal, Dodge might work, but for most buyers, it's a financial burden. Number 3. Alfa Romeo. Alfa Romeo cars are stylish and fun to drive, but they're also some of the least reliable cars on the market. The Giulia and Stelvio look sporty and handle well, but owners report endless problems: electrical glitches, transmission failures, and engine issues. Repair costs are steep and dealerships are limited, meaning longer waits for service. Consumer Reports ranks Alfa Romeo at the very bottom of reliability charts. While the driving experience is thrilling, the ownership experience is full of frustration. For most people, the costs simply outweigh the fun. Number 2. Fiat. Fiat has tried to make a comeback in the US with models like the 500L and 500X, but poor reliability has doomed the brand's reputation. Owners face transmission breakdowns, electrical issues, and suspension problems. Resale values are terrible. Some Fiats lose 50% of their value in just 3 years. The 500L in particular was discontinued in 2021 after years of disappointing sales and reliability scores. While the cars may look quirky and affordable, they're widely seen as one of the worst investments in the auto world. Number 1. Tesla. This might shock some people, but Tesla takes the number 1 spot for worst car brand to buy in 2025. Yes, Tesla dominates EV sales, but when it comes to reliability, the brand struggles badly. Owners frequently report panel gaps, paint defects, malfunctioning sensors, and buggy software updates. Repair times are also long due to limited service centers. In 2023 and 2024, Tesla faced multiple recalls, ranging from steering wheel detachments to autopilot safety flaws. Despite their cutting-edge technology, Teslas often spend more time in service bays than their rivals. Consumer Reports and J.D. Power both rank Tesla near the bottom for reliability. For buyers, this means you're paying a premium for tech, but also paying with constant frustration. And there you have it, the 11 worst car brands you'll regret buying in 2025. While many of these brands promise luxury, power, or affordability, the reality is hidden costs, constant repairs, and disappointing ownership experiences. If you're in the market for a new car this year, make sure to do your research and think beyond just looks or marketing hype. The wrong choice could leave you with a financial nightmare on wheels. Don't forget to subscribe for more buyer's guides like this one, and check out our other video on the best cars of 2025. You'll want to see which brands actually deliver what they promise.